7 foods that can help you stop snoring while sleeping. 1. Pineapple. This fruit is a natural decongestant and stops the nose and throat to flare up. Pineapple is also easy to digest, so can be fearlessly eaten at night after dinner. 2. Garlic. Garlic possesses some inordinate anti-inflammatory properties. That's the reason people pop raw garlic cloves in the morning to steer clear from common infections. Some people also consume raw garlic at night to quash their habit of snoring. 3. Honey. Honey is a strong anti-microbic, which is often used to treat common infections like cold. Honey soothes and opens nasal pathway, allowing the air to pass through freely. 4. Peppermint. This herbal leaf is replete with antispasmodic properties that reduce swelling inside the nose and throat. Drink peppermint tea before bedtime or inhale steam of boiling water with infused peppermint leaves or essential oil. 5. Fish. The high content of protein and fatty acids like omega-3 in fish combats the production of phlegm that blocks the nasal passage. 6. Onions. Onions are starched with antioxidants, which fight off infection-causing bacteria, keeping the nose and throat clear of congestion. 7. Tea. A nice, warm cup of tea will help you relax while it will work its way to open blocked nose and throat. But make sure you don't drink too much or too strong tea at night, as the caffeine present in it may hamper your sleep. So these are the 7 foods that can help you stop snoring while sleeping.